Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about the miscellaneous thing. We'll start with the Asian civilization. Asian civilization was divided into two parts, Mesopotamian civilization, Chinese civilization. We'll discuss in details about these civilization. We'll start with the Mesopotamian civilization. It is an older civilization. It is the land between river Tigris and Euphrates. Mesopotamians were the first to use potter's wheel. They discovered sexagesimal system of counting, Pythagoras theorem, and the length of day and night. Now we'll talk about the Chinese civilization. The earliest civilization was by the Shang dynasty, followed by the China and the Han dynasty. In the 3rd century BC, ruler of China dynasty built the Great Wall. Chinese script was pictographic and their calendar was the combination of solar-lunar calendar. Now we'll talk about the major wars. First World War happened in 1914 and ended in 1918. It was the result of international conflicts between Austria and Serbia. The chief contestants were the Central Power and Triple Entente. The naval blockade of Germany caused severe food shortage and helped to end the war. Treaty was signed in Versailles in 1919. We'll talk about the Second World War that started in 1939 and ended at 1945. International conflicts arising from the expansionist policies of Germany in Europe and Germany in the Far East. The Axis power Germany, Italy and Japan control most of the Europe and much of North Africa, China and Asia. US stayed out of the war until 7 December 1914 when Japan attacked Pearl Harbor. The war ended when US dropped atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan. Now we'll talk about music. We'll start with the Hindustani music. Originated in North India around 13th and 14th century, it was influenced by Hindu musician traditions, Vedic philosophy and by Persian elements. It is based on raga system. Hindustani music is divided into Thumri, Dadra, Qawwali and Ghazal. We'll start with Thumri. It is an informal vocal form of Hindustani classical music, began with the court of Nawab Wazid Ali Shah, the Nawab of Awadhi. We'll talk about Dadra music. It consists of 6 beats in 2 equal divisions of 3, mostly performed in Agra and Bulkinkhand region. We'll talk about Qawwali. It originated in 8th century. It is a form of Sufi devotional music performed mainly in dargahs. It is mostly in Urdu and Punjabi language. We'll talk about Ghazal. It is poetic form consisting of rhyming couplets and refrain, which each line sharing the same meter. Originated in 6th century Arabic verse, it spread into South Asia in the 12th century.